Alright guys, this is the rear mount engine 49cc's that I put on, that was on the beach cruiser. I ended up swapping everything onto here. I got the engine mounted up last night, but then I decided just to go ahead and just finish it. I did have a rack laying around, so that's how I did the fuel tank for right now. I'll leave it that way because it seems to be working. Bike ride's super smooth. It's actually kind of nice to ride, having that rear shock. It seems to do about 35 with wind hitting you. I'm sure it was a little bit faster without the wind. That rear mount, I end up having to modify it just a little bit, not much. Most beach cruisers, it fits right on. I had to cut this out because it humped over, and I just cut that off so I clear the frame. I used a hose clamp. The clamp that, because the clamp they gave was kind of flimsy. I put 2 spacers on either side of the frame right there, which then allowed me to line that chain right up. I did just break this a couple minutes ago, but it's not a big deal. It's an easy fix. If you guys are looking into doing something like full suspension, this is not that bad. It's actually pretty torquey, not having so much chain to actually turn. It's just, I kind of like it more in the Fat Moto, sadly. The Fat Moto just seems like it wants to kill you every time you ride it. But I will be posting a video here soon of the 2-stroke. I had the 2-stroke out on a video, just doing some pulls with it, but every time I got up to about 48 mile an hour out and 50 mile an hour, I was running up on the back of the car. So I'm going to be taking it out to somewhere where it's got a nice open straight road. I'm really curious what that thing's actually topping out at after I rebuilt that Phantom 85. So I will be doing that, and then if you guys like this kind of stuff, I got plenty of it. I got more projects that are sitting around that I need to get done. I got that buggy that I want to put a 2-stroke snowmobile engine in, and then I got a mini bike that I want to make street legal so we can ride that around and stuff. But yeah, if you guys want something that's full suspension that's comfortable to ride, try one of these rear engine mounts. Like I said, there's a little bit of modifications you might have to do, but nothing's real hard to figure out. So I'm gonna actually take it and for a little quick ride. Like I said, tomorrow, I don't know if I said it or not, but tomorrow I will take it out some dirt roads and stuff. Maybe if I could find some trails to take it in, just to see how it acts inside the trails. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll go ahead and get it started. Alright, let's go. Uh-oh. Hold on a second.